Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and doing very well with your families. And you all are safe. Yes students, being safe is more important for you and for your family. So students, in this today's new video, we are going to talk about chapter number 11. That is an English poem, The Joy of Childhood by Prerna Shi. See students, here you are going through at the end of your childhood, and everyone knows that childhood is a beautiful gift given by the God. And we all adore children everywhere because they are carefree, they do whatever they want to do, they make everyone smile, they don't have to worry about any worries. They are all welcomed by everyone. They don't know that cunningness, they are all, that's why everyone says children are like angels. They are innocent, they are cute, they are sweet, and that's why everyone adore childhood of their own. And everyone is having their own memories of their childhood, and that they don't want to ever forget about. And if each of us gets this chance to go back to our childhood, everyone I dare that everyone would give anything to just go back for just a glance of our own childhood. So this poem is all the memories and all the moments that we have had in our childhood. So are you all excited? So let's start doing it together. So chapter number 11, The Joys of Childhood. So in the first stanza, before it's written here, read this poem which talks about the numerous joys childhood memories bring. So let's start. Dancing around like a little raindrops on muddy roads and more. Window shopping in the shops, building castles at the seashores. So here in first stanza, the poetess is giving us the first glance of the childhood, that as a child each and everyone has done this, like dancing around just like a fresh little drops of rains on muddy roads with our friends, and have made paper boats and playing with the mud and the water of rain. And after that, going together window shopping. You know what is window shopping? Window shopping is not like shopping or purchasing anything. Window shopping means we are just going around, looking around the things, but we are not buying it. So obviously as a children, we all just do is we all watch the things, especially the toys and the toffees, but we don't buy it until and unless our mother or our father, that means our parents, don't purchase that for us. We don't buy it. We just do window shopping in the shops. Like, wow, that's amazing. What a beautiful toy. What a beautiful doll. Like that. And building castles. Castles means mahal. Fort, kila. At the seashore. Darya kinare. Mahal banana. These are the memories, the favorite moments of our lives, and each of us have done this, and some of us are doing it till now. So let's go to the second stanza. The poetess says that little fights on a pan or a doll, lasting only a moment or two, then a little hug to end it all, and skipping together saying I love you. So every one of us was having a little fights of like pan for a doll, for a place, for like that girl is pushing me, that is a bad boy, that's not a good boy, and teacher, this is harassing me, teacher mera naam bigada, teacher he or she is pulling my choti, mummy didi is not giving me that, mummy bhai is not coming with me. So like for every single small things we all used to fight a lot, but that fight was not lasting for a moment or two. So in a moment or two, we are all together, eating together, talking together, laughing together, playing together. Because then, at that time, a little hug, chota sa jappi, was enough to end it all. And skipping together, saying, I love you. And the third stanza that says, running and dancing here and about, slipping hard and rising with every fall, laughing and playing, a chuckle and a shout, swinging high on swings and shooting a ball. So, as a child, we all used to run a lot. We used to dance together here and there, slipping running and then slipping and then we fall down. But when we fall down, we don't feel embarrassed. We don't feel that embarrassment like everyone is watching or everyone is laughing. And even though people are laughing at us, when we do that, we also laugh together with them. Because we don't feel that awkwardness, we don't feel that embarrassment. And laughing and playing, a chuckle. Chuckle means a sudden laugh, a part of laugh, like ha 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 ha. And a shout. Swinging high on swings, everyone likes to swing so high, jhula, uchi uchi jhula jhulna, and shooting a ball to play catch. These are the moments that we all miss a lot. Then the next stanza that says, then cozily in mom's lap at night. फिर आराम से रात को मम्मी की गोदी में, in mom's lap, lap means गोदी. At night, listening to joyous words and toys anew. Then on the terrace with dad flying a kite with an innocent smile as fresh as dew. So at night we go together like at mama's lap. Mummy is telling us a good night story or a poem or a lullaby. And at morning or evening, we go with our father, with our baba at the terrace for flying a kite or some other activity, and that's how we spend time together, the quality times that we spend together. With an innocent smile, वो मासूम मुस्कुराहट के साथ, that is as fresh as dew. Knowing neither grief nor worry, grief means dukh, worry means chinta. Knowing neither grief nor worry, lost in their own jolly world, at their own pace, never in a hurry, aspiring to build a happy dream world. So that is the moment when we don't, because everyone that is passing by this childhood knows that they don't have any kind of worry, they don't need to worry about anything, eating, they're getting on food, they're getting on time, they're getting clothes to wear, all good, expensive, mama is giving pocket money, nothing to worry about, going to sleep on time, waking up on time, mama is there with breakfast. So they are not having any worry about what is worry, what is grief, dukh kya hota hai, chinta kya hota hai. They don't know anything about that. We were not knowing anything about that when we were in our childhood, and we were all lost in our own jolly world. We were having a very good happy world. Jolly world means happy world. In that we were living, and the people like children who are in the childhood, we all see that they have neither grief nor worry to know about. and they are having their own fun in their own jolly world at their own pace. They are not in a hurry. They are never in a hurry. They does everything on their time. They eat as much as they want. They do whatever they want to do. They are never in a hurry कि ये रह जाएगा वो रह जाएगा, that is gonna be happen, what is gonna be happen. Nothing. And aspiring to build a happy dream world. And they are having their own dream world to aspire. One day they want to be an astronaut, and the second day they want to be a soldier, and the third day they are like, I want to be a doctor, and they're having their own dream world. We were all having our own dream world once we were in our childhood. So this is one of my beautiful stanza, my favorite stanza of the whole poem, that is, a stranger as well as their dear one. They can make anyone smile. They enclose love for everyone. They know nothing of cheat or wile. So here, if there is an ajnabi stranger or their dear one, those they love the most, they can make anyone smile. They don't have that heart rate feeling for anyone. If they don't like somebody, that is only for a moment, and then they are playing with them. So as a stranger or as their dear one, they can make anyone smile because they are giving their love for everyone. They are enclosing, they are not closing all the love within themselves. They know how to give love. They give love to everyone. They know nothing of cheat or will. They don't know anything about cheating or devious or cunning ideas like to do bad to somebody. No. They are all full of love and they all spread love. So now the next stanza, those days were so nice that cannot be forgotten, though I can forget everything else I have got. I wish I could go back the steps I have trodden. That was the happiest time that now cannot be bought. So now the poetess is telling about like this is that those days were so nice that cannot be forgotten, that she cannot forget her childhood memories, her childhood days, though she can forget everything else that she have got. She wishes that she could go back the steps that she has trodden, that means taken. That was the happiest time that now cannot be bought. Like if we can pay a huge price for that moment, for those memories, it cannot be bought back. And the last stanza, I miss the swings and the playful laughter. So let me return to what I find good. I miss the innocent talks without any flatter. So let me return to the joys of childhood. And in last stanza, the poetess is pleading like she misses the swings, jula, and that playful laughter. And so she wants to return back to what she finds good. And she also says that I miss the innocent talks without any flatter. That she misses all those talks that she can talk about without any stop or break. She wants to talk all the thoughts that she is having at that time. And so let her return to the joys of childhood. That's she is pleading, please let me go back to my joys of childhood. Isn't it beautiful poem about the childhood that brings us all the memories we got from our childhood? Yes. So now let's go back to the first stanza and read the whole poem together. Are you all ready? Okay, then let's start. Chapter number 11, The Joys of Childhood. Dancing around like little raindrops on muddy roads and more. Window shopping in the shops, building castles at the seashores. Little fights on a pen or a doll, lasting only a moment or two. Then a little hug to end it all, and skipping together saying I love you. Running and dancing here and about, slipping hard and rising with every fall, laughing and playing, a chuckle and a shout, swinging high on swings and shooting a ball. Then cozily in mom's lap at night, listening to joyous words and toys anew. Then on the terrace with dad flying a kite, with an innocent smile as fresh as dew. Knowing neither grief nor worry, lost in their own jolly world, at their own pace, never in a hurry, aspiring to build a happy dream world. A stranger as well as the dear one, they can make anyone smile. They enclose love for everyone. They know nothing of cheat or wail. Those days were so nice that can't be forgotten, though I can forget everything else I have got. I wish I could go back the steps I have trodden. It was the happiest time that now cannot be bought. I miss the swings and the playful laughter. So let me return to what I find good. I miss the innocent talks without any flatter. So let me return to the joys of childhood. By Prerna C. So students, I hope you loved this poem and understood each and every meaning of it and the memories you have got from your childhood. So thank you very much for watching the video, and let's meet in our next chapter and in a new video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.